In the bustling town of Germville, where germs and bacteria were as common as dandelions in a park, there lived a courageous kid named Max. Max was no ordinary kid. He was Captain Clean, the town's superhero, armed with his trusty sidekick, Squeaky Soap, and a powerful weapon called the Hygiene Blaster. Captain Clean's mission was to protect Germville from the mischievous germs and bacteria that caused sickness and spread like wildfire. He would zoom around town on his trusty scooter, Squeaky Soap perched proudly on the back, ready to battle any germ that dared to cross their path. One sunny morning, as Captain Clean was patrolling the town, he received an urgent distress call from the Germville school. The dreaded Germsworth brothers, two notorious germ villains, had invaded the school and were causing chaos. Captain Clean sprang into action, Squeaky Soap in hand, and sped towards the school. Arriving at the school, Captain Clean was met with a sight that made him shudder. The Germsworth brothers were wreaking havoc, spreading germs everywhere, making kids sneeze, cough, and feel under the weather. Captain Clean knew he had to act fast. With a determined glint in his eye, Captain Clean raised his hygiene blaster and fired a powerful beam of disinfectant. The beam struck the Germsworth brothers, causing them to shrink and lose their power. They were quickly captured in germ-proof containers and sent to Germville prison. The kids of Germville cheered for their hero, Captain Clean, who had once again saved them from the clutches of the Germsworth brothers. Captain Clean smiled humbly and reminded the kids of the importance of hygiene in keeping germs at bay. "Remember," he said, "germs can't survive without dirt, so always wash your hands with soap and water, especially before eating and after using the bathroom." The kids nodded eagerly, promising to follow Captain Clean's advice. With a final wave, Captain Clean hopped on his scooter and sped off, ready for his next adventure, leaving the town of Germville sparkling clean and germ-free.